OT modernization is transforming the way industrial organizations operate, enabling greater data sharing, improved productivity, and real-time insight. Industrial network connectivity, built on implicit trust, shifts as operational technology, or OT, and informational technology, or IT, networks converge. Industrial devices lack built-in security. They were not designed to connect to anything other than the internal OT network. This increased connectivity expands the network attack surface, creating risk of cyber attack and risk to operations. Consider this: a system crash on a manufacturing floor can stop production for hours and cost millions in delays and damaged goods. Cybersecurity outages on an oil rig could jeopardize both human safety and critical infrastructure. An oil spill can devastate both a company's bottom line and the environment. Outages affecting transportation companies with large fleets can result in weeks of downtime and heavy losses. A power outage in the energy sector can disrupt entire communities, halting critical services, contaminating water supplies, and leaving cities in the dark. Securing connected cyber-physical systems can be complex, but Fortinet can help. Fortinet's OT security platform secures your critical infrastructure, giving you visibility and protection while enabling segmentation across your IT and OT environments. Support your upgrade to 5G, including fleet management and secure remote access for employees and third parties. Leverage Zero Trust for OT with network access controls and multi-factor authentication to ensure personnel, data, and applications are secure. For OT environments that are exposed to the elements, Fortinet also offers ruggedized equipment designed to weather even the harshest climates. The Fortinet OT Security platform offers the opportunity to manage all environments from a unified security operations center. As security policies are adopted or created, Fortinet can provide reporting to measure OT maturity over time. Backed by AI-powered threat intelligence from FortiGuard Labs, the Fortinet OT Security platform continually delivers updated OT protocol support and OT device and application vulnerabilities and automated virtual patching policies. From real-time analytics and integrated operations centers to connected sensors and remote field workers, fortify your OT cybersecurity with the OT Security platform for safe, available, and secure critical infrastructure. To learn more, visit www.fortinet.com/OT.